Hey everybody, thanks for watching. My name is Kevin Brown with All Star Medical, and today we want to show you how lift chairs come to your home. One of the big questions that we get a lot are, should I choose the free delivery or should I choose white glove delivery, which is where somebody brings it into your house and sets it all up. Where the free delivery, this is what it looks like. I've got 3 different lift chairs here, and I want to show you the size of the boxes and talk about a few things like that that can help you make the decision on whether you should choose free delivery or white glove. So what we have here is just a standard. This is a PR 535 by Golden Technologies. Your box dimensions here, you're looking at it, are 39 by 34, and then you got 43 inches tall, okay? And we'll open it up here and show you a few things, but this is one of the smaller boxes. So what you have to consider is UPS and FedEx cannot deliver this on their trucks. They're going to have to come by a box truck or a freight line. So 53-foot trailer or a box truck or something like that is going to have to deliver it. They're probably going to have a lift gate on the back where they lower it down. So you need to consider, where do you live? Because a box truck or a freight truck has to be able to get to your home. If you're in a subdivision, that can be difficult sometimes. If you have a long, windy driveway or a long road, all they're required is to get it to technically the mailbox, get it to that area. And a lot of people don't understand that. If they can't back down your driveway, all they're required to do is drop it off on that free delivery. So, there are some people that are working in the truck industry, they will gladly, dolly it up if they have it or have the capability to get it to the house for you. They're not going to bring it into the house or anything like that for you, but that's something to keep into consideration. Like, I didn't even think about that. Can I get the product actually to my house versus there's no way a freight company can back down or come through my subdivision and do some stuff like that. So keep those little things in mind when you're doing this. I'm going to open them up too, but I want you to just see the different size in the boxes. Once we take it out, or we're actually going to just open them up and show you, the lift chairs can weigh anywhere from about 120 pounds to 160 pounds. Most of the chairs that you will get from Golden, the back is already installed on it. It's ready to go, other than just a plug and play, a couple wires here, there, and you're ready to go. Pride Mobility, their backs come off. This version right here is a PR 504. It's one of Golden's bigger chairs. The back is off of it. So I'm going to snip this up and I'm going to show you how that works. So just to give you an idea, this is how it's going to come. So you're going to build a clip. Also consider getting rid of the debris, stuff like that. When it comes in, you'll see, as I take this off, this is what the chair is going to look like, okay? Now this chair is already ready to go. The back's on it and everything like that, okay? Same thing with this one right here. It's going to look the exact same. And then you just pick it up, you walk it in. A lot of times, door frames come into factor. I'm going to have to L-shape most of your door frames to get it in the house. So I'm going to have to L it in. I may even have to take the back off, depending on, am I capable of doing that? Do I have family and friends that can help? How am I going to get through? If you have French doors, do I have steps? These are all things to consider when you're dealing with this. And a lot of people don't think about that. They're just thinking about, I need the chair, but they're not thinking about how do I get it in the house. Am I going upstairs with it? Am I going downstairs with it? Little factors like that. So I want to show you this one. It's a little bit different. Again, this is kind of how some of the bigger chairs come in for your 500-pound weight passing chairs, or in this case, this is just a large chair. When you take it off, you're going to see here that the back is not on this. The back is actually sitting right here. Okay, so the back has a clip and it gets clipped in. And then there's some pieces that you plug in to the bottom of the chair and do some connections and things like that. Real minor stuff, but again, it's a bigger chair, getting it through door frames, things like that. We get constant questions where people they want the item, but they're not thinking about how to actually get it in. So really consider, you know, do I have the ability to get the chair from, say, my mailbox area? Can somebody, a freight company, come down the driveway? Those are probably the most important things. And then, am I or a family member or friends, my loved ones, can they help me get this in the house? If they can, then do the free delivery by all means. But if you can't, that's where the white glove platinum delivery type setup comes in. And you will have a company like ourselves bring it in, set it up, take care of everything else around here, make sure it's in working condition and ready to go for you. So that's what that white glove and that platinum delivery do for you. I hope this video helps. If you have questions or comments, or I may have missed something on this, please let me know. I'd love to answer anything I can help you with. You can get lift chairs from us at allstarmedicalllc.com. We carry Golden Technologies and we carry Pride Mobility. They're the biggest manufacturers in the industry. They make great products. We can answer pretty much anything. We are experts at lift chairs and mobility devices. That's what we do for a living. We've got myself over 23 years experience. Combined with our company, we've got over 100 years experience with the people in here. We're very knowledgeable and we'll be glad to help you. If you have questions, feel free to call us at 615-730-9438. And as always, have a great day.